Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a nice little day here for Apple. I mean, there's still a lot of downwards pressure. I mean, the past few days from last week, pushed it down quite a bit. But you got to give credit where credit's due, and I think this is also a easy way to kind of just gauge the bounce that's occurred moving forward is by putting this line into place there. And actually, let me change that to green because that's more of a support trend line. And that right there, like I said, is going to be a very straightforward, a very kind of KISS method, way. Keep it simple, stupid, to just gauge, I don't know, is this bounce right now truly, does it have genuine power behind it? Is it just some sort of dead cat bounce? And there's nothing fancy other than the fact of, can the price stay above it? Because when you stop and think about it, let's say the price came down here and then shot up here and then came all the way back down here and then shot all the way up there and then came all the way back down here and then shot. I mean, that would be a lot of crazy drama. But notice what would still be intact that whole time. If the price stays above that trend line, that implies that those lows keep getting higher and higher, and that is how uptrends continue. So as of right now, yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. A nice little bounce here is underway. But as far as the question of, is there any sort of genuine power? Is there any sort of legitimate strength behind this bounce? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine, but I do know that we have a very easy way to answer that question, and that is to just keep your eye on that trend line. And as long as your price stays up above it, that is by far what matters most. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the big battleground coming forward is all about that purple line right there. It's on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period simple moving average, and current value of that is right up there around the 137 mark. So keep a close eye on 137 if the price does continue to bounce. But all in all, nice way to start off the week. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this upwards momentum. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.